Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we're outside with another sponsored video. We're going to do a product review of a handheld chainsaw and you might just like it. So, ironically, a few days before Hurricane Debby passed through my area, the company SeeSii reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in doing a product review of one of their 6-inch hand saws. So, naturally, I said yes. I just find it amusing and ironic that that occurred right before the hurricane passed through my area. So out of the box, it comes in this sturdy container. And when you open it up, you have, most important thing, the instruction manual. You have some safety gloves. You have some goggles. You have the chainsaw with the chain already on it. And it also comes with the little cover to cover the chain itself. It has a guard. It comes with 1 and 2 batteries. You have your charger. And you have your oil, screwdriver, and an extra chain and a brush to do some cleaning. So what I'm going to demonstrate today is the practicality of having a handheld chainsaw. The batteries are already charged, so we're going to take one of them, and it fits on just like that and snaps in place. Take the cover off, and I'm going to show you a pile of wood limbs that I have stacked up that fell during the storm, and I'm going to demonstrate cutting some of the wood. Okay, hopefully you can see me pretty well. These are some of the longer logs that I stacked up, and to start it, you have a black button here. Push that in and push the on button with your index finger, and it's on. Come closer so you can see, and as you can see, it's a nice, clean cut. Some of the specifications and features of the saw are: it weighs only 2.62 pounds. It's very lightweight, easy to use with one hand. And for beginners, the fact that it's cordless is a game changer. You can use it in small spaces and you can cut down small trees and shrubs without having to pull out the big old gas guzzling chainsaw. And as I mentioned before, it comes with 2 batteries and a fast charger for extended use. It has a self overload and temperature protection installed, and which ensures rechargeable batteries lasting a long time. It came fully assembled. Simply, you can adjust the tightness with the wrench that is provided. There's no separate chain installation needed. It has a powerful motor. It slices through 5.91-inch logs in just 8 seconds. It's perfect for cutting wood, pruning, and gardening. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did the review of the SeeSii chainsaw. That's SeeSii. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'm going to leave a coupon code and discount code in the description portion of the video and also in the comment section. I want to thank you for watching while we did the review. If you got something out of it, as always, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your friends and neighbors will also. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.